7 Early warning signs of heart attack you shouldn't ignore. Nowadays, the risk of developing a heart attack is significant, and it terrifies everyone. Be certain, a heart attack will not come without caution. Actually, your body itself sends warnings, weeks and days before the actual impact happens. Therefore, if you manage to recognize the signals, you should see your doctor immediately. Knowing ahead when a heart attack occurs could save your life and limit the amount of permanent damage. When it comes to your heart, every second matters. Some of the heart attacks are sudden and strong, while others start off slowly, with moderate pain. There are times when people are not aware of what is happening to them, so they delay the visit to their doctor. Here are the 7 early warning signs of a heart attack. Discomfort in chest. The most obvious symptom of an unhealthy heart is serious or deep chest pain, which is getting worse with every breath. Thus, it lasts for several minutes and reoccurs a few times. Difficulty breathing. Shortness of breath is a common symptom, which can occur alone or along with some kind of pain in the chest. In moments like this, it's always reasonable to call your doctor. Discomfort in the upper part of the body. Any unusual signs of pain in the upper body should not go unreported. Discomforts may appear in arms, neck, back, jaw or stomach. Usually, a pain in the back or jaw signifies a heart attack in women. Excessive sweating. Any unusual excessive sweating accompanied by a fever is a clear indicator that something is wrong. Head to the doctor immediately. Swollen feet. Swelling in the legs or ankles occurs when your heart does not pump strongly enough. This condition is called edema and can be an early sign of heart disease. Nausea and dizziness. If your body often feels tired and exhausted for no reason, clearly there is something wrong. So if you notice these symptoms, contact your doctor. Irregular heartbeats. The most common life-threatening symptom is your heartbeats are too quick, too slow, or with an irregular pattern.